So, Tian told us Sazan Le Chapeau. And say, yeah, I was very disappointed in tell. And the reason being that, Nesta Lehma, Mala tell me the boy genius and Habazamala Mai Yinde. So, Katel Buluna, no to so cover propagatable Melamai Shelma. Because then you're done, sonny. Timin the boy genius, the Nangan Kennedy and Terrible Man Nangan Kennedy, the boy genius, you're cushion, and now one canny. Abaya. To my eyes, and now one Jenny, Capuano, one young guy, need a source. Capuano, one guy, no omnipotent, how do you prove the source? To the one boy gina, no yin to prove unbelieve or now so no bianma. Or yin to prove the existence of land now one ma. Then to prove come on bora. So I shall so no believe la in now one. Believe in Balama, or ka proof shell that now one general can no believe in now one. Cabaro yet and to go no poor John no poor. You see, being yellow so is a body of confusion la. The boy gina. It's a body of confusion. And Katel Bamini, almost listened was done Demazo. Kosa that's no boo was because that's no boo was based on that. I yell and I dinner can it. Kaipa Yarakarmala, when I put a general Abupura, you are a body of confusion, like you are confused about your own identity. Aku jene chafrenya, jene etisinya, like whatever you choose. Aku jene deninya, nishi and deninya. So the boy Jina, I yet Karamala, Anabla Mila. Asashi. Tell Bohalo Shapolo Kayel na Suhra. Agaya, Munka Suhra. You understand? Boa Suhra Bora. Kachantona Hante no Suhra, no Barmangambala, na Surna, no Barmangamba, because Nana Kututa help pen, Beadino Kututa help pinba. And so Ka Suhra. But previously, Kayet na Suhra, tell Ka wum de Namazaha, Kakona Boa, Kamari Yet na Suhra. The boy Gina Ancherga Pura Din Shelmami, Bumbo Jonaka Purma. So sometimes how to tackle the boy genius is even more confusing because what yet or standpoint or ye garpe in ye garpe or could gab gabo man halen teacher never akushim no socia na kalarbanum can't invade banakanya genius shuba. Kambwara the boy genius you not yet larba woman naming invade Ghana. You wundene kanya genius sungune. Tesahanya la dagbamba be yertina sangina yetwa. Larba naman dabago sable kasanga dine too. I cannot tell African countries the pam da dine through trade cutting yellow Kwamana damana kat the pam yamusulun da dine. That invasion yet to anyele. Invasion dem punang de la junior tilugo kaba bahar daba hide da bamba da bahar la daba. Dabama minera bahar daba ma bo abrano ba. Adine den kab mi baramel wohroba. So nyankwa sendie nyame. Dabagbabu as a Denmark, it was a cultural issue, a religious issue in Daniel. Dabama da Barla, Balekama, Mimonkan Maria, Junior Tilukuma, Hora Barla Daba, religious issue in Daniel. Abaya, later on Kadin yet to Atekana. The boy Jin and Marjano Karma Kajiben Shama, or an research Ven Yalanga, Onambana Dine be Abyssinia, Ethiopia, Ven Yalanga Pump, Christianity Deniman, Muslim Seda Dine Piniman, Wamama, where I invadeba. I know history, Ben Yala one of the people Bumbo colonizing. So Buhamama, Wula Karakana Dine to Benimane. So be invaded by so many colonizer, Wula Karakana Dine to Beni. And up Yellow Yavil Kayi Kat Konyan Dwell Kabi Saudi, Unzonkulen Tebe Ethiopia. Bra invaded ma, Halbandalezan la Benevolent Swanamo. Abaya, and I'm not the Yavil Katwa Be Abyssinian, chant to song the ba, Larwanama Cabanyer trouble. Can it Abyssinians Maka Africans and Danyaba. So when they invaded me Kabamala Dinama. You see, so I can't not the gapti. You understand? She the gabaga. For Gabna Halenti racism yet. Laranum Jeblas yelle. Nyen boy genius. I made a kind of racism and facera in Italy. How does that got to do with religion? You understand? So at the end, Larban Macabja Bansable yelle. Yelma now so. And be Italy, but Bansable yelle. So in Yarala yet to Ashele. Tenam preferia not to dwell on Muhammad Karanyela Jirko Mati, than Nuswanaga Bisco, Kaba Pass, Kachamba Road, Katakunantile Karma, Dabanza, no one Chamba Road, money near Kukuran with the You get that then? We prefer not to dwell on Nabang the Shabangarma Zaha, Kabang Matishir. Then not to dwell Nyung Shao, Kali to Chang to Lulu Chapulu. Lo Chapola yell to Halente, net to Bob the Daddy, net to Paga Carabjan, to Bokualu. I to Apuna, I yell Halente, and in the year trashing on Thomas Sankara Nama, Kwame Kurmanama, Banua, Nedinama, never up in Yell, Uncanny in Voshama, Pamba Maladine. The Benjamin Muslim Yaba, but Panda Maladine. I like Ethiopia, Bruno Harris Salasinama, Bazara Maladine, Uncle Bob Malishamaza, Bob Malada Maladine. Yamina Beral Rastafiri and Telmadinum Bara. You understand? So there is a reason why we have to defend our religion or our faith. Ninsala, what you believe in, deninya. So I also destroy what you believe in. Yinko destroy ma. So me yen destroy the but you know nye bangda. The something that you so tinglan so you know to destroy it. And then me zaha yen come to conclude and tell me to a shells or ka fam nyamane. But the zaha te dalfano mo kana onse mbwate te biane kiyama. You people are ready to defend your sect. In pa association shanga, in pa sect shanga. You defend them to the last point. Kacha dine karanan de wahala. Kabambe chan shukuru. Bebambe karan. Banku shibin shabja gona. Kaban yipa kana. Yiba road kana. Tiye neba yen nila nirva nira. Ki chela ka defender le sect nima. I association nima. Biku yele to abeki nyo maikan man. Kwentu tunin kurakashia. That's what you people are doing. Kakpalan last sect in the morning. Can never mara dina man palan on the wahala ki claimer bansam cover. You don't defend the religion in any form. It to yina ba so to boy ye yisle so he yehra halle be mala nirma tura ikumagi man wo nirma bansam. You understand? Kama to hala nesta no video shele and I shall nesta tema ban la ande jenga pura ba pam sa mala problem with it. Ni ba kana tenente yala na ala anda jenga pura be abla pura nka problem with it. Nda la jenga pura sometimes pam domin ba jenga la ampuzo. But no ta no glorification carriera, glorification and praises yet to a carriera, not be year generally yet. Can yam bois? You are free to defend a sect in none the mayor shamazaha. Can yam bois? Glorification, the malat time, specific times in religion. Zikir Bible come now, but tell specific time. Hal zikir can now win yoga, halekano to padamlia pasu kino no sooner, zikir bian. Abaya. Zikir ka specific time. So now when it's yellow glorification, kata specific time, na nang no kata junglo konko ka na wanted the times, ka yelt in the time ma parama ka yara. So I cannot see yerma na zikir yet pa kanda won yerma. Na wanted the time for zikire. Zikir mala time, buhama mang lala. So Antonia afa alright. Kakaram amal bangsen. But an yerten en voshama mala zo ka Quran boire te bana fala takilun ma an yerten en voshama te ba mala hankale to ten pam yer karam gare iban claim so called ni karam mamane. You understand? So defend your sect. La ma janga pura bere ka to forcete na yerten ka dama janga nu kala Quran ne na won yella debata ko ko eto a bomboten momon on yella debata ko eto ma bo so ka apura janga. You get it in the boy genius challenge ma pala jinga time nim yetwa o yerla jinga nu na ka din ne sham so amina landa jing shanga porma ya jinga nu ka porma so I nan against jinga time no put de banula boso ka por jinga nu mami me ayele na jinga nu wian kana Quran so boso ka por jinga ta wian kana Quran boso ka por jinga nu so mambo ambo puna ben shakam an nan de jinga na glorification en yele an nan Allahu akbar ma de ben what are you doing it for Subhana Rabbi al-Bumbono antar ben yashanga mana zana. Are you not glorifying Allah? So why Yapolak is on hankal. You understand? So I can't tell me speaking of glorification. Like yele ibe che ila muna fiki shell in Zambia dino. Isa tempala kia makata musulin mnyaya kapa musulin nima. Because everybody is bent on defending or sect. So come kumur mcho the sect katien defended to Shia tel katien defended to Sunna to Ahlus Sunnah tel to Bumbo tel katien defended to Tarika tel so come mcho la denma kacha dinema njele bono and the boy general and yellow chapolone ne kati yina ta zabr na onzo so na jin zab na onzo so kin fila ka dima so na jin zab na onzo ayel let defender na ni salenyo ten defendo to amatena jin defender na wone. You understand? Another one is selling you. Don't defend. Abaya, better defender now. So team fila karalandima. Let's put that one aside. Ben yena yer ben shawon yame. Yeto ano motion ben at the end of the day yen yela nuka tel dominika fanyama. Ben yena yer yeto ashel won yame. Nisa yela na sen yela muslim munafikin pamni yipolo comment section can ko take note. Ibe che is sect tel na munafiki tel sheli melma na dine sheli in yel ni yela musulin ma kapa musulin ma ye bia kam zo kimanam kama di boy jine ma bane yen yenan tuturo tan ko annan da nirba ni nan kitelle anam na ya ni gwal umma shella ki le kablan kalta pare. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.